Hello everyone, so this is the challenge. This one is the layout and Kevin was struggling. So I thought, let me help Kevin. I have already designed this. I've already achieved this. So let me show you how I have done it. Let me show you how you can make this layout in Gutenberg. First, I'll take a group and I'll select single column and I'll make this full width. And let me go here and select background black and text white. You can see full width group, full width section. I don't understand why he was struggling to find a full width for this section. It's very simple. Okay, anyway. Let me add another group inside this because for this part, I want container width. I want to control the container width, so I'll do that. And the outer container, I want to make it 1000. Okay, and inside that, let me add another group. So you can see structure here. This is outer group and this is inner group. And for this inner part, I want to be 500. I think will be enough as per this design. Okay, and this group text is white. Now let me add he has written accent heading. I don't know. He has written accent heading, and inside that there is using. Now for this he has written section heading, and again he has taken paragraph and some lorem ipsum. So let me grab some lorem ipsum. Okay, then for this part I'm going to use columns. So let me take columns here and let me take single column, then I'll duplicate and it will serve the purpose. Now inside column I'll take cover because this block allow me to set background image. So I'll go to media library and I'll select this mountain part. Okay, done. So far I have done this much, and now inside this what I want to do is I want to make it, I want to change the alignment from here, and then I'll add a label. He has added a label. Then he has added one heading. So in that heading he has written this is just a placeholder. Okay, this is just a placeholder. And then again in text, okay, and to make this all white I'll select this cover block and from text white, so my all text are white. Okay, and this text alignment should be left. Okay, and cover block comes with a default height, so I don't want that, so I'll go here and make it 0. Okay. So, or let me make minimum height something, maybe 40 pixels. Okay. Done. Now once again under cover block, the overlay I want to be 100% because I want this to be on hover. Okay, so I'll 191919. Maybe this will serve the purpose. Yeah, and again cover block is done, and just to separate these things I'll add spacer. This is a very special block to make your work easier. Okay, Now let me go ahead and check the structure. So this is the structure so far. I have okay, I'm missing something. Oh, this button. So let me go ahead and okay, and by mistake I have added this column inside the group. This should be out and down. So this is the structure actually. Group, group, column. Okay. This is I've done so far. Now I just need to manage the size, font, etc, etc, and that's also very easy. I'll go to group. I'll start with the group first, and outer group I just want to, if you see, outer group I just want to give padding, and then I want to give horizontal padding and block spacing. This will give gap 2 between the blocks. So this is done. Now this heading is looking a little bit bigger, so I'll make it, oh, medium, no, medium not. Let me make H1 and make it large. Okay. This is, let me make it smaller. This one done. Now for this cover block, again I want to set the padding. So padding, all done. And this, there is a gap as per the design, there is no gap. So to control that, what I'll do is I'll go to cover, and this time I'll make a block spacing 0. Now if I want to control this, I'll go to dimension, padding, and I just want a bottom padding. So I'll click here, bottom, and maybe 1. These are presets, and this comes from the theme. So I think I am very much close to this design now, except this background part. So that can be taken care of with CSS. Done. Now what I need is, I need to just duplicate this column. That's all. Okay. So to duplicate this, I'll just duplicate, publish, close this. Okay, I've not added the button. I've not added this button. So let me go ahead, and after this I'll add, after that column I'll add one button. Okay, button, what is written on the button? Call to action. Okay, call to action. And let me come here and design this button. Okay, background should be white and text should be black. And the size, let me make smaller, or maybe 12. Okay, and alignment center. Okay, this alignment has to be center, this has to be center, and this has to be center. I think this is very much ready. The only thing is, if you want to increase the gap, you can increase it from here, but I'm going with this, and let me update and go to front end. Okay, this, I don't want this, so this is coming from the theme. Let me change that, blank. Okay, all right, so you can see here, okay, this hover effect is coming from, okay, you can see here, this CSS I have written just to target on hover. Obviously this can be written in a proper way to include zoom and transitions also. I have not included any zoom or transition. I just wanted to show that it is possible, and we can do it with minimum effort and minimum CSS.